Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Thursday, September 8th. Of course, the employment numbers came out and we started dropping. Was it at 8:30? What about here? This is the LIS for the day. Let me just send this out to everyone so everyone can join, and then I'll break it down. This light on because my eyes are bad today. All right. Good morning, good morning. Oh, I just pulled this nail and gotta... Look at this perfect drop, guys. Perfect, perfect. Set up for success, right? What do we say? Something like that. Oh, you know what I don't have up? Oh, I do? Where's the scalper? There it is. Do I have it on 9 o'clock? Yeah. Guess it just hasn't taken any trades. Interesting. All right. Good morning. Good morning. All right. I need to stop biting my nail. Let me get on TikTok and then I'll break this down. I was watching TikToks this morning about the new iPhone. I used to be that person that would get a new iPhone every time it came out, but I stopped doing that years ago. So the one I have now is, I think, like, I don't know, 11, 12X, 11. It's either the 10, like the 10S, like the XS, or the 11. Like, I'm definitely far behind because now we're on 14. So I think I'm going to get a new one. All right, let me go live here on TikTok. And then we can break down this chart. I can move this over a little. We dropped below the chop zone, guys. So, you know, that's given to you every day by 8 a.m. Make sure you utilize it. Because this was an easy short. 95 to 63. That's 30 points. That's $600 for one contract. $60 per micro. 120 with 2 micros. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Jamie. Good morning, Chad. Hey, y'all. All right. It's Thursday. Let's break this down. It is Thursday, September 8th. This is the 20-minute chart. As always, if you're new here, I stream live every day from about 9:15 to 10:30, breaking down the NASDAQ future chart as well as showing you my auto trading algorithm systems. So this is the 20-minute chart. This is our chop zone for today. So the chop zone is different every single day, and these dotted lines are different every single day. So they're proprietary levels that I give my members. This is the LIS. This is given every day, pretty much around like 6 a.m. And then the chop zone is given every day. Oh, happy birthday. Every day by 8 a.m. So this perfectly played out this morning. If you're in my group, you would have already had this information and you would have taken this short. Trenton already took it. It was an easy $600 drop here. So dropped from 12,194.95. Kind of hung out for a little bit here at 80. So that was 15 points right there, which is $300. Then it dropped from this level down to the central pivot for the day. And that was another 15 points. So overall, 30 points here on this drop from the chop zone. Easy $600. Good job, Trenton, and whoever else got that. I'm sure Andy did. He just hasn't posted it. Saw you on TikTok before YouTube today. Oh, yep. I go live on TikTok and YouTube at the same exact time. I like YouTube because I can kind of branch out with YouTube in general. TikTok is my preferred because it's easier to get people on here. But YouTube is good because it records it and people can go back and watch it. And it's all live. There's nothing edited or changed or anything. So any trades I show you, hey Scott, good morning, or anything like that, you will see it. You can go back and watch all of my lives. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you're in YouTube, please. There's 12 of you. That helps to get my information out there. Thanks for the panda, Jamie. And if you're on TikTok, please tap that screen. Cool. Yeah, TikTok's a good way to get people to kind of get to know you, especially on the lives. I think I've always noticed the past few years they helped. I remember I would try to do one live a day at night, and then I started getting sick of it, and my buddy was like, Lauren, you do so well with the lives, like, just do them. So, yeah. All right, thanks for the hearts. Okay, it is 9:20, so we have 10 minutes till the market opens. Today I'm running, as always, the range. Range did not have a trade yesterday or the day before. We had a holiday on Monday. So no trades on Tuesday or Wednesday, which can be frustrating. I totally get it. But I'd rather have no trades than have losing trades. So that's kind of how I think about it. But yesterday, if you are one of my digital mentorship students or I've coached you before, you would have easily been able to play so many longs yesterday, like so many longs. Obviously, you can always play when you leave the range if you want to scalp yourself. I don't do that, but you can. But then above here, we had a nice pullback. This wasn't the pivot yesterday, so this would have been different. But this was kind of an area I talked about even on the live yesterday because it was hard to get over the day before. That was like the peak here. I can't really squish it. Sorry. And it kind of went there and then rejected, and then it broke through, and then it kind of pulled back. But then we shot up like a rocket, and then we found support here. Why is my line not on? And then we found support here at 12,209. Moved up from there, pulled back here, moved up from there, pulled back here, and then the day was pretty much over. That was 4 p.m. So, and then overnight just consolidated. Honestly, they made a new high here at 2:30, and then London kind of broke down, and then we had this move down since the jobless claims report at 8:30. That's every Thursday. Nope, this is the NASDAQ on the futures market. If you're new here, I go live every day, breaking down some of the futures charts and then also showing my auto trading algorithm or my robot. It doesn't start, like none of them start, the ones that I have running. Actually, the scalper started at 9:05, but it hasn't taken any trades yet. I feel like, ooh, I need to change that. What was I? Oh, yeah, maybe. I need to take away the wider stops. I hate my new job so much. Haven't you been there for a few months, Jamie? I'm sorry you hate it so much. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post them. What is the area called? It's called plot executions. All right, cool. Answered a question in the group. The pivots, I just use there's many programs that have pivots that you can just use. I get my pivots from TD Ameritrade because that's my broker for my stocks. Good morning. So there's pivots in TradingView, there's pivots in NinjaTrader, but they're all different. I have my hot tea already.
Order submitted.
Oh, scalpers in a trade. Cool. See, it acts like I missed those trades before, which is so weird. Oh, maybe because I turned off that one setting. What's Power BI? I don't know what that is. Scalping just means you're getting in and out very quickly. But this is honestly just named scalper. I could actually put this on a super conservative setup where it only takes 2 to 3 trades for the entire day. But I actually have it on a pretty quick, like, profit taking and getting in often type of setup right now. The one that I'm testing. It's 9:26. The market is going to open in 4 minutes. Once this gets to $200, my stop loss will move itself down into the green. Oh, yeah, no. I have no idea what that is.
Order canceled.
Absolutely not. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what I just remembered? I did not cut his nails this morning. I was supposed to do that. Wah wah. My other setup that I'm testing was 7 for 7 last night, going into 3 a.m. And then it had a loss at 5 a.m. But it was so close to not being a loss. One of my students said the same thing. We'll see. Yeah, you can see that right here. See, if it's red, that's a sub. If it's green, that's a win. It's like $100.
Order submitted.
But see, it would have stayed in. And this is why I have it on the like super aggressive. It's 9:27. Well, it's gonna get it back here. There it goes. There it goes.
Order filled.
So it came back and hit the offset. Charts look friendly. I don't really know what that means. What does that mean? Why is it trying to include? Oh, I know why. I know why. I feel like I should probably turn this light off. Yeah, it's better to see that way. At least on TikTok. Y'all. Why am I still biting this nail? Somebody come smack my hand. And I don't bite my nails like that either. This is the central pivot, so could be true. We'll have to see. The market's going to open in 2 minutes. Thanks for the hearts, Kev. No, Kevin, it's not. It's just a nail. Like, I have my nails done, but the gel was just, like, peeling off of one nail, and so now I can't stop, like, playing with it. Look at this. Look at this bounce here. Can we see this? No, I took care of that other one yesterday. We're good there. Y'all. It's kind of boring.
Order submitted.
Oh,
Order canceled.
$700 on that scalper trade. Look at that. That was fast, right? It's 9:30. Market's open. So it's green 460, and I just turned it on like 5 minutes ago.
Order submitted.
Remember, once it gets to 200, it will move the stop loss.
Order canceled.
So that was a stop. Still green, 395. Yes, it does it all on its own. These are my programs.
Submitted.
This is my scalper. If you want more information on my algorithms,
order
I
canceled.
have about 6 of them. See, but then this happens and this gets annoying because it will take these small losses, but then they start to add up. So
Order submitted.
This is the thing with the scalper that I'm trying to narrow down. Echo, if you want to email me, I can give you more information about my algorithms.
Order filled.
I go live every day showing them. This one's in testing, and this one's also in testing. This one is more of my jam than the scalper, but for different reasons. All right, let's look at our higher time frame. So we dipped down here, which was like, what was the significance? Oh, well, we can always, you always want to look to your left. Always look to the left. Look at this. This was the same area as this, which peaked up the other day and then fully dropped. And then we peaked up yesterday and it dropped again, and then it finally got through. So today it went down to get all the rest of the buyers. And now it's pulled right back up to the central pivot. Let's see if we drop back down and then there won't be any more buyers and then we can chop through. Or if it wants to hold above the central pivot, go back to the chop zone. If it rejects from the chop zone, I would take that short again.
Order submitted.
But yeah. Scalpers and a short. And so you can, it's going to be hard to show you this here, but you could take this and move it down.
Order filled.
Oh, see? Well, I just messed myself up now because I got it in the way. This is where I tell people you can't have a trail stop too close to your actual price action, especially NQ. It moves so fast. That it will give you a whole bunch of issues. So so now we're coming back down to that area. Oh, thanks for the follows, guys. Appreciate it. If you want more info, you can email me or you can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, or Instagram. They're all linked in my bio. Actually, my Twitter's not, but that's like the only one. My website's in my bio. My email address is in my bio.
Order submitted.
Scalpers and another short.
Order canceled.
That was a $100 loss. We're back in this area, this balloon from the past 2 days. See what happens. No, they're not second candles at all. Chad, you can try to figure it out. Again, once you join Chad, you get access to all this. Yeah, no, they're not 5 seconds. Oh, but you know what? I didn't set that up today. The super scalper. I didn't set that up today. Thanks for sharing the live, Pi. Appreciate it.
Order submitted.
All right, another short here.
Order canceled.
So see how we were green, like, I don't know, 500 on this a little bit ago? Now it's essentially back to even. Seems like we're breaking through here. What do I have below this? Like, nothing? All right, I guess I have this. 12,078. Which is like 40 points below this bubble. Sure, Chad. Sure. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Lauren, how much of a delay is there from TikTok and real time? It should be pretty much instantaneous. I had people... Oh, you might be on a different contract. Did you move to 1222? That might be the issue. Because I have people that used to watch me on YouTube and then they went to TikTok, because YouTube typically has like a 1 minute or 2 minute delay, even though I have it set to no delay. This is NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader. Even though I have it set to no delay, YouTube still has a delay, but TikTok, it's like a 3-second delay. So if the prices are different, it's probably because you're on the 1222 contract. I'm still on the 922. See, 922. Oh, now I gotta fix this for the YouTube. All right, there we go. I had somebody else in the group ask me today about switching to the December contract. I haven't gotten the message yet. I'm sure I'll get it like this weekend. They usually tailor people. Like, I don't know how they do it, but it seems like they don't tell everybody to switch all at once. It's usually like sprinkled throughout the next week or so. Sure, Big Skin. Did you email me so I could get you the information? You can also watch on my YouTube. I have a lot of just like general basic videos about futures and what they are. Oh, that I don't know. I've been trading futures for like 7-8 years. Just message me in the group, Danny, because send me a picture or something. I don't know why your price would be different than mine.
Order submitted.
It's 9:38. It's 9:38 and 9 seconds. 10 seconds. 11 seconds. And another short of the scalper. All of my contracts are on September. September 9/22. I didn't set up my super scalper today, which I should have, but whatever. That's what I'm saying. It's hard. It's hard to run a few things live and then run several things in simulation for testing, because you start to forget, like that super scalper that I run on Thursdays. I only run it on Thursdays, so then I have to like make a note for myself, like, oh, make sure you turn this on Thursdays. I'm assuming you're talking about Kenny. I don't know. He hasn't posted yet.
Order filled.
Yeah. I don't know. He hasn't posted yet. Nobody's posted in results yet. I'll let you know when they do. Bill ran the 3-minute yesterday, made like $2,300. It was insane. It shows 9:39 here. What? Doesn't make sense. Now my clock says 9:39, 45 seconds. I was just saying it at the exact time. So maybe TikTok has like a minute delay? I don't know. I haven't known it to have one before. YouTube definitely does. TikTok shouldn't.
Order submitted.
Oh, ES had a great short below the chop zone too. Remember, each day I give my members the chop zone for ES, NQ, oil, and gold. That's what I'm saying. It's hard to keep everything. Can you put a bar timer together so it does not get in the way? Or does it? I'm going to pull the trigger on the discount offer soon. I don't... What's a... Oh, the bar timer? Yeah, it doesn't work for all of my charts. It only works on candlestick charts. There, it doesn't get in the way. So see, you can see it right here. There's 19 minutes left on this 20-minute chart.
Order canceled.
If you accidentally slide up and slide back, it adds the delay. That's weird. Are you doing that, Danny? Close out of TikTok and go back in. It should remove most of it. Oh, thanks, Big Skin. Big Skin's helping you out there. Because I have no idea what that's about. Appointment reminder. That's probably for Tuesday? I just sent you an email. I look forward to learning more. Sure. Sounds good, Kirby. Thanks for the hearts. My admin will email you very shortly. She stays on top of the emails. All right, we're getting this turnaround here. So again, touched the bubble and bounced.
Order submitted.
Sorry, I missed the question. I restarted TikTok.
Order canceled.
Yeah, so it wasn't a question. Big Skin had said that you should restart TikTok because there's a delay if you swipe up and swipe back or something. So, yeah. Well, that's good. I feel like my higher time frame is too far away. Maybe not. Maybe not, because that big job. I'm still waiting for Ninja to accept since Monday. Well, Mark, you should reach out to them. First off, Monday was a holiday, so they're not going to be in the office on Monday. But typically you get approved within 24 to 48 hours. So you should have been approved by Tuesday or Wednesday. And if you're not, you should reach out to them. They probably have emailed you saying that they need a copy of your water bill or your license. And
Order
either you
submitted.
missed the email or it went to spam. So I would follow up with them. The information email to email. I tried last week and it rejected. Well, maybe you typed it wrong. It's in my email. It's in my bio of TikTok, but it's just boldbot, BOLDBOT LLC @gmail.com. Yeah, so Mark, I would reach out to them like right now. You know, they only work like 9 to 5. NinjaTrader is overpriced on their platform. I agree, but it's the only area that I can automate my systems and actually use them fully automated. But if you pay for the lifetime, it's a one-time fee, and I have a $100 discount on that. But their fees and commissions are actually much cheaper than many other brokers. Like I pay $4 round trip. It's not very, very expensive. It's $1,000. Lifetime is $1,000 and then you get $100 off. So it's $900. I'm not saying that's cheap, but I wouldn't call $1,000 very, very expensive if you're looking to trade, because you would need at least that very, very expensive amount to even just have a small account. And that's fine too. If it's too expensive for you, then it doesn't work for you, then that's fine. And maybe save up till it does. But you can do the lease, and that's $70 a month. I just think if you're planning to do this for a while, that's kind of a waste of money, and you might as well get the lifetime. And I don't get anything off of, like, I wish I did, but I've had so many people sign up and get the lifetime. NinjaTrader doesn't give me any kickback. They don't even give me reduced commissions, which is annoying. But whatever. So it is what it is. Sounds good.
Order submitted.
Demeritinous. And if you still have an issue, you can just follow me on Instagram.
Order canceled.
I can cancel Netflix to invest, exactly. You can just email me. You can just reach out also through Instagram, because my Instagram is linked on my TikTok bio. But the lifetime is good if you're really committed to trading for a while or using NinjaTrader. Even if you don't use the algorithm, you can obviously manually trade, and you're getting access. Like, it's silly to me that they make you pay for access to a DOM, because if you're going to manually trade, you might as well use Tradeovate, and that's included. But yeah, but if you want something to fully trade for you, that's a special area that I found. But if you want something that fully trades for you, gets you in, gets you out, moves your stop loss, then auto trading is the way to go. Let a robot do it all for you. Just click and go. That was my little motto. I haven't really put it into play, but I love it. Click and go. Because that's literally all you have to do each day is click and go. Click and go. I might actually see a movie today. I would be willing to make it work. Income stream is better than streaming shows. And brackets you have to pay. No, so that's all included, Tusk. I think you're... But yes, you can't on the free... It's not there on the free version, which is ridiculous. So that's what I'm saying. If you're just manually trading, then... I never used NinjaTrader until it came to automated systems. I always used Tradeovate. First, I used TD Ameritrade, and that was stupid because I was paying $10 round trip. Then I found Tradeovate, and Tradeovate was all I used for a few years to manually trade. They are a great platform, super user friendly, really nice people there, and you get DOMs included, you get brackets included. I love it. Does it make you money? Yes. Yeah, my conservative setup has made about $35,000 this year on a $10,000 account. Nice. Golf is life. but if you're just going to manually trade, I agree. There's no reason to get NinjaTrader. But if you're going to want an automated system, then I think it's worth it.
Order filled.
Yes, I'm aware that NinjaTrader bought Tradeovate. But most of the people are still there at Tradeovate. They didn't clean their house. But yes, I'm aware of that. But they haven't changed anything on our end saying that you now have to pay for DOMs or brackets. Tradeovate is still the same exact platform, and it's amazing. So if you're going to manually trade, that's where you should go. Thanks for the share, Jordan. Does anyone have anything exciting to talk about? Kind of a quiet stream today. Boom. Thanks for the rose, Tusk. And I have videos on my YouTube about Tradeovate, how to set it up, what the best features are, what I like about it. So if you want to check that out, it's from 2 years ago. I'm definitely not singing a song. Good job, Kev. But if you haven't been trained, Kev, practicing, like, it's good. Nice. Sounds good. Sounds good. So we are curling back up. We're back in the chop zone. We're back in the chop zone, y'all. Nothing to do here. I can get rid of this now. It served its purpose.
Order submitted.
Las Vegas reporter. Who? Who is this person?
Order canceled.
Scalp is in a short. I feel like... Oh, have fun at work. Have fun at work. Sometimes I actually kind of miss like an office job. Sometimes. No, honestly, I do. I miss like talking to people and hanging out, going to lunch. Now we just do everything by myself. I go to lunch by myself every day. I hang out by myself every day. The only interaction I really have with people is y'all. This is why I really enjoy our time together. But for real, I'm not even joking. Let's say... Oopsies. I redid the scalper chart. Thanks for the rose, Kirby. 70? You sent me 70 roses? Oh my gosh, that's so nice. See, I knew I had... Well, maybe not. Yeah, I knew it was looking funky. We'll see, we'll see. Can you robot trade? No. Tusk, that's the whole point of NinjaTrader. I feel like I just went over this. If you are manually trading, Tradeovate is the way. If you want to use the robot, you have to use NinjaTrader. It doesn't matter that they're owned by the same company now. And it doesn't even matter if they allow... Look at this touch on the LIS, guys. This is a level I give my members every single day by like 6 a.m. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And my members that have taken my digital mentorship actually know how to find that. But no, the whole point of... That's the only reason I came to NinjaTrader, is because you cannot robot trade or trade it anywhere else. Yeah, no, the API access has nothing to do with that. Yeah, nothing to do with that. This is what I'm telling you. If you want to use my auto trading system, you have to have, and you don't have to have an account with NinjaTrader. Like, you can use an account with Interactive Brokers or AMD, but you have to still have the NinjaTrader platform. So you're going to have to either do the lease payments, or you're going to have to buy the lifetime if you ever want to use the auto trading system. And then after that, they have multiple accounts you can link, but I just have an account with NinjaTrader. I heard that they're going to add a connection possibly with like, this is who they have. I'm trying to make sure there's nothing here.
Order submitted.
Like, so these are who they have relationships with. So Coinbase, I don't know half of these. eSignal, External, Forex, Interactive Brokers, Kinetic, NinjaTrader, Continuum. That's the one that we use. Rhythmic. This is if you have like a Lilu account. They have a relationship with TD Ameritrade, but you can't number one, TD Ameritrade cannot be used for futures on NinjaTrader. So you have to, even if you have a TD Ameritrade account, you still have to get a NinjaTrader account. So at some point, look at, this has touched it twice now. Look at these touches, guys. This is an important level. Very important. Just touched it a third time and pulled back. But regardless, the easiest way to do it is just have an account with NinjaTrader, because they might allow people with TradeAvate accounts to link to NinjaTrader, but you still have to actually have the NinjaTrader platform, if that makes sense. I'm trying to put this in an area where it's not in the way. I'm going to move this up. There we go. So regardless, even if you have, say, an Interactive Brokers account or, I don't know, an account with Lilu, you still have to have the NinjaTrader platform. And you have to, if you're doing a funded program like a Lilu or a UProfit, they pay for your access to the platform, so you don't have to pay for that lease or the lifetime. It's called a license key. So they give that to you for free when you're using them. Look at this. This is a nice recovery here. If you're in the student center, the student corner, Kenny posted some really good information this morning before the market opened. Yes, you definitely need a computer. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It can just be a laptop or an iPad even. But you can't do it on your phone. That's for sure. Somebody posted in results. Look who it is, y'all's favorites, Kenny and Kosal. I don't know sometimes why this doesn't allow me to pull other things in front of it, and sometimes it does. Here you go, today. Kenny said, showing my P&L because I had a bad one due to distractions. Hold on, let me move this over. Should not trade when heavily distracted, back to just about even, but was still larger than normal whack right off the bat. So he's green $800, but he was red $3,300 in one trade. Yes, you can use it on an iPad. Mark, don't be a hater. All right, but look, Kenny's actually saying he messed up today. Kosal made $7,000.
Canceled.
His average trade time is 46 seconds. His longest trade was 1 minute. Listen, I taught these guys what they know. If you want to trade like them, you got to get like them. You got to put the work in. You got to learn what they have learned. All that. Yes, Kenny and Kosal both manually trade on TradeAvate. Again, Kenny's been with me for over 2 years. Kosal just joined a few months ago, and he's freaking killing it. But Kenny usually makes, like, well, yesterday he only made $4,000, which was not like him. He made $35,000 Tuesday, September 6th. He made $40,000 on Friday.
Order canceled.
But yeah. I gotta give them some emojis. I'm sure all Kosal did is use the chop zone and the LIS. Honestly. No fear. My guys with no fear. They're so good. Well, he has like $100,000 account, so I think he's fine. Listen, that's what I'm saying. To each their own. Like, I wouldn't do it, but so he took What's half of 45? 27 trades? Tradeovate doubles everything because they count your in and your out. So he had like 25 trades and 50 contracts.
Order submitted.
So he's taking 2 contracts per trade. That's actually not that much. And Kenny's actually been better too. He took 4 trades with 100 contracts. So 25 trades a contract? Yeah, that's pretty standard for him. He's been doing that for multiple years in my group. Multiple years. And he's been doing really well. If I made Kenny money like that, I would go into work with a different attitude. Yeah, and he still works too. Curious how much
Order
they invest
canceled.
to profit this much. Impressive. Yeah, so it just depends. Each trade, so each contract costs $1,000. So if Kenny's taking 25 contracts per trade, that's $25,000. Coastal's only taking about 2. Coastal's only putting up $2,000 and he made $7,000 today. Yes, you can use it on an iPad. Making sure I answered all the questions. You can do it on NinjaTrader. It's the same thing. They just use brackets like I teach them to do.
Order canceled.
I think Kenny, we all used Tradeovate a few years ago and he got comfortable with it. I think Coastal might have already had it or he added it because I told him to keep it separate from the Algo. Yes. So to join Turn and Burn, it's $500 for the first 21 days. That's the 50% off paid trial. Then it's $1,000 every month after. So again, if you don't like it, guys, oh, look at this. If you don't like it after the first 21 days, you can cancel and there's no hard feelings and it is what it is.
Order submitted.
If you like it, then you stay and you pay the full price. Look at this though. Like, levels are so important. I say this every single day. Scalper's kind of getting on my nerves. I wonder if it's too crazy for this time. I thought 9 to 10 would be good, but...
Order canceled.
It's red like $600, which isn't horrible, but I don't know. I'm going to have to play with it some more. If you want more information, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'll send you an informational email. Oh, I have 3,200 likes. That's so nice of you guys. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up.
Order submitted.
Coastal took those trades on a plane flying to Miami. He is brave because I've tried to trade on an airplane before and it is so laggy. It's not good.
Order canceled.
Thanks for the follows, guys. And thanks for the likes. Desmond, thanks for following me on Instagram. So I'm going to wrap it up here soon. I typically post what's going on throughout the day on my Instagram. I also do it on my my TikTok stories. And I post on Twitter throughout the day. So if you follow me, you will see kind of what's going on with my group, with my members, with the Algo. And if you want more information, just email me or reach out on one of my socials. Again, I will never directly DM you. So if you get a DM from somebody that looks like me, it's probably a scammer. There are several people that are trying to impersonate me and try to get people to do some stuff about crypto. And if you guys know me, I don't do anything with crypto. The only thing I trade is futures. So that should be a huge red flag right there. But I don't trade crypto. I don't trade stocks.
Order canceled.
Ooh, look at that. And yeah, that was a nice turnaround right there. I was looking at this other one that I have running. Thanks for the follows. But yeah, I go live every day. We have this short running. This is the one I was kind of looking at. Nice job, Danny. Yeah, that's pretty much what he did. He made $7,000 on an airplane going to Miami. Below 95, next target is 80. Below 80 is 65, 63. Again, don't overtrade, Danny. Just take it. And then, like, I used to set a timer for myself. Set a timer, like, you can only trade once every, 3 minutes or 5 minutes, honestly. Because if not, you'll just trade, and then you'll get in, say, down here, and then it pulls back up, and you get stopped out, and blah, 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 and it becomes this whole circle. So, yeah. Don't do that.
Order filled.
Zoopy Jooper. Alright, well, I'm going to wrap it up a little early today. It's kind of boring. Not you guys. Nice, Jen. Jen's one of my students. Oh, roll tide. I cannot get that. I don't even know what that shit means. I got $2,130 for a Thursday. I'm taking the bag and running. Jen, remember on Thursdays when we would make $200 and we would be so happy? Okay, I'm not red. Bye. I'm so proud of you. Jen's one of my students from 2020. Kenny's a student from 2020. Y'all just kill it all on your own now. You don't even need me anymore. The training wheels are off. I'm surprised Andy hasn't posted yet today. I wonder if he had some really big meeting this morning. But yeah, but I don't get it. What is it? What does roll tide have to do with football? It literally sounds like you're in the ocean and there's no ocean in Alabama. There's a Gulf. It doesn't even have waves. Take that shit somewhere else. That sounds like something people would say in California. What was that movie? Legally Blonde. Because they'd always go to the beach. What is this LeBron thing? You said that yesterday. Well, enjoy the movies. Gotta go shopping. Well, have fun. Turn and burn. Get something for me. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get off here a little early. Treat myself. It's a Thursday, okay? It's not raining. The sun is actually out. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I'll be on at 9:15, 9:20, and we'll do the same thing. I'm going to go fix this nail right now. So, yeah. I will... You can find that comment on almost every Tom video. What? Alright, so I will see you guys tomorrow. If we get a trade with range, because we haven't had one the past 2 days, I will post it. I will post it in on my daily stories on Instagram and TikTok and Twitter. So, bye. Oh, I looked it up yesterday. It was so cute. Thanks for the compliment. Leave the live on so we can monitor the chop zone. Listen, you can have the chop zone if you join my group. That's all you need. And I literally give it to you every morning. So, just come on over. The water's warm. I actually wouldn't mind keeping it live if people were actually watching. But I don't know if... No, and actually I can't. It's my cell phone. I need it. I just thought about that. I'm like, oh yeah, sure, I'll go about my day. Yeah, right. Do you know how bad I rely on my cell phone? Literally, as soon as I get off of here, I will be on my cell phone. Somebody on Instagram sent me a message when I was on here. I have to check my emails. Even though I could do that on my computer, but still. Okay, bye. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Our YouTube. I don't even know what that means. Okay, bye.